Look at this question and solve it. Question is, shuttle is required for or is used for glycolysis, TCA, link reaction, all. Usually students tend to mark all, but all is not the answer here. Answer is glycolysis, because shuttles transport NADH from cytoplasm to mitochondria. A pathway which is occurring in cytoplasm, that pathway requires shuttle. So glycolysis occurring in cytoplasm requires shuttle to transport its NADH from cytoplasm to mitochondria. But TCA is already occurring in mitochondria. Link reaction is also already occurring in mitochondria. They are producing their NADH already in mitochondria and it will directly go into ETC in mitochondria. There is no need of shuttles for TCA and link reaction.